Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So what's going on, guys? We are back again with a brand new episode on the channel. So as we know, we have completed our 100 subs on the channel. So there's a giveaway going on of the A Power X screen recorder. It is a screen recorder for the PC and I am giving the full version giveaway. So participate in that link in the description. And one more thing, tell me in the poll which language do you want for the content, English or Hindi. If you want Hindi, I will provide the English subtitles, so there will be no problem with the English ones too. So we have completed the inline CSS knowledge. So now we will do the in HTML CSS. So in HTML CSS is nothing but the type of CSS where we use the style tag, the HTML tag, for the CSS in the head tag. Inside the head tag we use the style tag like this. And now one more thing, there's a thing named as class. So there's a class like Java to assign the variables. We use the class in Java, and here to assign the tags we use the class. So for the class we can give any name like Java only. We use the class basically when we need changes in one tag and not in the other, if the same tag is present in the HTML two times. So I have assigned the class as AS here. Now we will do the styling for AS. So dot, we use the dot symbol for the class, dot AS, and the braces. The Java braces, as we know, for the starting of any commands, use the braces. Here we use the braces for the starting of our styling. So now align it to center again, text align, center, save it here. Now let's check. We can see it has been aligned in the center, but the text is now same. Now let's add the dot. One more thing, there's another operator in this, the ID. ID is unique, but the class can be used same for the other further operations. We use the ID as BU. We can use any ID we want, and the hash symbol is used for the ID. So hash BU, again the braces, and now we will write the code here. So we have given the ID as BU for the first p tag. Now we will give a border 5 pixels, solid, black. Refresh, we can see the border has came. So now let's add one more p tag here, p. Now I have copied some L'Oreal Ipsum bluff text, pasted here. Now we will learn one more interesting feature. First, assign a class. We can assign ID to here, but I am taking the class as OB. Classes can be of any bigger words also, and I suggest use the maximum you can use for the class. First, create the program as simple with the simple classes, and afterwards when you will post it on the online, hosting and the domain. Just change the class to a difficult level so that the other person cannot copy it. Now we have assigned the class as hobby. Now .hobby. Now there is another interesting feature as font size. Now font size I am giving it is 30 pixels. Refresh. We can see the simple style is this, and the font size, after increasing the font size, the size is this. So now there is another thing, font family. I use the sans serif as I like it, but you can take other two from the Google, or you can find it in the Visual Studio Code or the other software you use for the fonts. Now refresh, we can see the font style has been changed. The normal style is this one and this one, and after the style changing family, the style is this. Now we will add an image. So there's a body tag. We can know for the body tag we will write the same body only and the places. No dot, no hash, nothing. For the tags we use this. So now we will run an background image tag, and here inside one more tag as URL. Now I have an image. See this pic.jpg. You can see the preview here right side. Now I will add the pic.jpg here. Now save it. Open the tab, refresh. We can see it has changed and it is overflowing because the image size is small and the size of our page is going too far. So we can use the cover. For that we will use the background. Size as cover. So now save it, refresh. We can see it is not overflowing now. So now change the color of our text. So for that we can use the in the body text color tag. So if there is not any text color tag, we have to use the color tag. Color as we are taking the azure. We can take any of the colors, white, black, or any you like. Control C. We are not focusing on the type of page we want. We are just learning here. So we will create some pages later on, and I have created one page for the home automation. You can check in the playlist in my section. Playlist section in my channel. There's a playlist called websites. You can check. I have created a site with the help of HTML and CSS for the home automation. Now save it. Now refresh. We can see the color has changed to white. This is looking too odd, but as I have told you, this is only learning. So only this much for today. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video and subscribe to the channel. and don't forget to participate in the giveaway as you can be the lucky winner.